Hello everyone, this is Tim, and today I'm going to be going over the Broadmark Realty Capital, and that's a BRMK ticker symbol. It is a REIT or a real estate investment trust. I'm going to be going over the company information, the dividend information for the stock and company. Also going to be going over the company financials, their stock performance on TradingView, and also what I think about their options. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does greatly help out my channel, and I do also have a Discord that is slowly growing. You can join that for free at the link below, also in the description. And I hope you all have a great day. The Broadmark Realty Capital Inc. is going for $10.41 on Sunday, July 18th, 2021. So markets are closed. It's currently up over the last year, 12.06%. For a year to date, it is up 2.06%. Now, it has had a rough 6 months or so. It is down 0.76% over the last 6 months. For the 1 month, it is down 5.79%. It has an EPS of 0.84, a PE ratio of 12.43, and it has a dividend yield of 7.49%. The dividend information for this company is they do have a dividend yield of 7.49% currently, with an annual payout of 78 cents per share every year, which is a 93.13% payout. I know that seems high, but you have to remember this is a real estate investment trust, so legally they are required to pay out at least 90% of their profits to their shareholders. So REITs are always going to have a high payout ratio due to that. They do have a dividend growth of 1 year, which isn't that bad for a REIT, especially considering 2020. They pay out 7 cents per share on a monthly basis, with an ex-dividend date typically at the end of the month and the payout date towards the middle of the next month. The Broadmark Realty Capital Inc., together with its subsidiaries, engages in the underwriting, funding, servicing, and managing a portfolio of short-term and first deed of trust loans to fund the construction, development, and investment in residential or commercial properties in the United States. It also provides short-term and first deed of trust loans secured by real estate to fund the construction and development, investment in residential or commercial properties. The company has elected to be taxed as a real estate investment trust. As a result, it would not be subject to corporate income tax on that portion of its net income that is distributed to shareholders. The company was founded in 2010 and it is headquartered in Seattle, Washington. It has 54 employees. For the financials, their assets for the fourth quarter 2020 compared to first quarter 2021, their cash and cash equivalents did go down between the 2 quarters and went from $223 million in fourth quarter 2020 to $204 million in first quarter 2021. Their mortgage notes receivable did go up from $798 million to $804 million in the first quarter 2021. Their interest and fees receivable also went up from $14 million in the fourth quarter 2020 to $16.5 million in first quarter 2021. And their investment in real estate went up from almost 8.5 million to a little bit over 13 million in the first quarter 2021. So their total assets went from 1,187,319,000 in the fourth quarter 2020 to 1,191,896,000 in first quarter 2021. This is a year to date for BRMK on TradingView. As you can see, their stock has gone pretty much from $10 up to over 12 and down to under 10, and then right around the 10.5 mark, which is kind of where it's at right now. It has been staying for the most part in the RSI band. It hasn't really gone up or down past the RSI band very much over the last year to date. It did go down a little bit, but for the most part it's staying in there, which means that investors believe it is currently fairly priced. The MACD has been fluctuating somewhat, but it's not been too bad. Now, as for the options for BRMK, I really don't recommend using options for this unless you really just want to make a little bit of income. They do have monthly options, so if you wanted to, for instance, buy 100 shares by selling a put, you're not going to make a whole lot if you do it just month to month. You're going to have to go quite a ways out, and even then, at the $10 range here, you're only going to make $53. You'll have to have $1,000 in collateral. But if you want to lower your cost basis for buying 100 shares, you can do that. Just you have to remember you need that collateral. If you already have 100 shares, you can do a covered call. But again, you're not going to make a lot of money. It's just not going to happen. So you can do it to make very, very little money, but I still don't recommend doing options for this company at all. It just doesn't seem to be worth it. It's better to just, if you're interested in, after doing your research, if you want to get it for the dividend for your portfolio, you can. Just, I would buy the stock itself rather than doing options personally. But again, I am not a financial advisor for you. I'm not an attorney for you, so you need to do your own research and decide what is best for you and your portfolio. This is just for entertainment purposes only, and this is just my personal opinion. Something else I always like doing in a good portion of my videos is I like going onto TD Ameritrade to their income estimator, and I like seeing how many shares it would take of a particular stock to get to a $1,000 monthly income. Granted, that would be $12,000 a year, and this is a low-paying dividend REIT, so it is taking a lot of shares. According to TD Ameritrade's income estimator, in order to get the $1,001 estimated average monthly income, you would need 14,300 shares of this company, and that equals a investment total of $148,863 in this stock, and that will get you a dividend payout of $1,001 every single month, or a $12,012 estimated annual income. So that's just a little bit of fun that I like doing. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information helpful and let you look into it if you want to do your own research on this company and see if you want to add it to your portfolio or not. Again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below if you found this video helpful and if you enjoyed it. And again, I do have a Discord channel. It is free and that will be linked in the description down below also. Hope you all have a great day and good luck in the stock market.